In the last video, you watched me create the content inside of Voma, and you saw how flexible and easy it is. You also saw how to set these things live, the lessons live, or keep them in draft mode and to preview what your clients are going to see. Now it's time to test it out and make sure that the emails are going to go out the way that you expect, and just to give yourself confidence that when someone places an order through an offer, that your content's going to be delivered. So here's how we do that. First, if you haven't done this already, create an offer. I already showed you how to do that. We've already covered that. I went ahead and created a cornerstone offer for this product. So I'm going to go ahead and go into that. So in this offer, I've just set it at $10 and it's currently in test mode. So if you flipped your offer page to live, you're going to want to flip it over into test mode so that you can run through a test transaction. So let's go ahead and open up the offer. And you see the red bar across the top indicates that this is in test mode. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose an email address where I want it to be delivered. So this is a demo email address, and I'll just pause the video and fill out some address information. Okay, and so now I'm just going to fill in that 4242 number, which you can see at the top of the page, but it's just repeating 4 2s. And then I'll do 01 27 and 123, and I'll click complete your order, and it's going to go to the thank you page as soon as this goes through. So I'm going to pause the video and go to my email inbox. Okay, so now I'm inside my email inbox, and you can see that I've just received this test mode order receipt, and I can click on this. It says thank you for your order, shows the amount that I paid. Of course, this is just a test order, and I'm going to click here to log into the dashboard and access the content. This is a magic link. It should log me in automatically. I don't have to enter in a password or anything, and instantly I'll be able to see the course content. I'll be able to click into this. There's only one lesson that's currently live, but you saw me set it up that way, and there you go. So everything was delivered, and this is a great sign. This means that you can flip your offer live. You know that when someone purchases, the email is going to go out, and they're going to be able to click and log in automatically with no friction whatsoever.